oranges. Our items are celery and 2 oranges, not oranges, but oranges, a carrot, a onion, and a lemon. Then we have a cube sugar, a salt and olive oil. We have water, and we have the leaves of the celery that we're going to do it after. So after we wash our hands, we're going to get a lemon. I'm going to get the juice, right, like that. After that, we have our celery and we cut it. And then we're going to get our juice and I'm going to put it in the water. After that, we're going to put our celery inside because if we don't, it might go black. So we're gonna oopsie. So after we cut our onions, a little hurts my eye, but when I do more and more foods, and it does not hurt that much. And then you can wash your knife like we did because it might get the taste for this. But they're all going to mix out. So now we're going to cut our carrots like our usual way. My eye hurts so bad. And then I sliced all of these. And then now we're going to get our 2 oranges and we're going to make some orange juice. And it needs to be like 1 cup, so like this much of a cup. And I'm going to use the same thing that we use for our lemon. And don't forget to wash your fruits before it. Put it out. So yeah. And then next step is we're coming to the end. So you get a pan, like this one. And then we have our celeries. We added 1 more because I think, like we think that they were very less. So we're going to get 1. And we're going to make a plus. So cutting the celery is pretty hard. So we're coming to the end because this food is very easy. So you don't need to just put them what should I say, so pretty. You can just put them drizzle. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is adding our onions, our carrots, and we're going to get our cube sugar and put them in here. So going to put them. I don't really need to do them as I'm just going to drizzle them around. And now we're going to get our onions. I did a little bit of them, so we're going to make like a mini bracelet. I'm so scared of my hands. See that? I'm going to put them. And now, after we put our onions, oh my gosh, we get them out. You can just put it with wherever you want. And we're like doing these ring things so it will cook. And then we have our mini sugar cube, and we just put it like that. After that, we're going to get our oil, and we're going to just drizzle that around. Okay, that looks yummy. After that, we're going to get our orange juice and the same thing. And I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to do that in miniature because I have it there. And then we're going to cook this for 30 to 40 minutes. And then we're going to put our celery leaves, and then you'll have a great food.